Hello everyone. Did you know that mental stress can lead to psychosomatic diseases? While stress can lead to symptoms such as anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and more, it's very important to keep your stress levels in control. And one of the way to control your stress levels is by the practice of Bhramari Pranayama. Scientific research indicates that the humming sound, which is practiced in the Bhramari Pranayama, is known to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and calms the mind and brings down the stress levels. And the name Bhramari comes from a Sanskrit word, the big fat Indian bumblebee, which make a buzzing sound while flying. Similar to this, while we practice Bhramari Pranayama, we make a humming sound or buzzing sound that creates vibration, which has soothing effect to both the mind and the body. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will learn how to do Bhramari Pranayama effectively and experience its amazing benefits. First, it relieves stress. Whenever you are anxious, tense, or worried, this pranayama calms down your mind quickly. By the regular practice of this pranayama, you will notice that you feel more relaxed and your mind is at ease. People with high blood pressure should not only follow proper diet and lifestyle, but also reduce the stress levels to bring their blood pressure to normal. And the regular practice of Bhramari Pranayama helps in achieving this. Headaches are common these days. Students face study pressure and adults face various challenges at work, which may lead to tension headaches and migraine. And the practice of Bhramari Pranayama is a great solution for these types of headaches. Success relies on concentration. For example, if you're a student, you need concentration to observe the lecture which is taught in the classroom. And as an adult, you need concentration to boost your productivity. The practice of Bhramari Pranayama helps you to improve your concentration and support in your journey to success. Before we move on to the technique, it's important to note that the practice of Bhramari Pranayama is generally safe, but there are few precautions. If you have any ear infections or serious ear condition, it is better to avoid the practice of Bhramari Pranayama. If you are feeling dizzy or tired, it is better to stop practicing and practice it the next day. There are various techniques to practice Bhramari Pranayama. It is said to be more effective when you practice it with a specific gesture known as Shanmuki Mudra. For best results, practice Bhramari Pranayama on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning, or if you do not have time to practice in the morning, this can be done in the evening.
First, let's sit in Padmasana.
To do Padmasana, sit on a yoga mat with your legs stretched out. First, bend your right knee and place your right foot on your left thigh. Then bend your left knee and place your left foot on your right thigh. Keep your back straight, hands on your knees, and relax. Padmasana is ideal for practicing Bhramari Pranayama as it stabilizes the body and keeps the spine straight. This helps focus on your breath, allowing deep and steady breathing. For those who can't sit in Padmasana, Bhramari Pranayama can also be practiced in Sukhasana. To practice Shanmuki Mudra, place your thumbs gently on the ear flaps to close your ears. Position your index finger on your eyelids, middle fingers on the sides of your nose, ring fingers above your upper lip, and little fingers below your lower lip. During Bhramari Pranayama, Shanmuki Mudra helps block external distractions, promoting deeper focus and calmness. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale slowly while making a gentle humming sound like a bee.
Inhale. That completes one cycle of Bhramari Pranayama.
You can start with 3 rounds initially and later increase this to 10 to 15 times daily. Remember, consistency is a key. To see the best results, you have to practice this daily. Thank you for watching the complete video. I hope this session on Bhramari Pranayama was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you till the next video. Thank you.